For over 17 years, the Knights of Columbus Council 10257 from Boonville, Indiana, have conducted their fishing tournament for the special needs community of Warrick and adjoining counties. Our participants range in age from 6 years old to 70 years old and up. They come with families or with chaperones of group homes. They all come for the same reason. They know they'll have a good time fishing at Lake Last Cast near Dagonia Springs, Indiana. The fishing tournament will be conducted at Lake Last Cast this year on May 20th, 2017. All are requested to pre-register. To do so, go to the info tab at http://kfcfishing.homestead.com. Download the entry and release form, fill it out, have your guardian sign the form, and mail it to Fishing Tournament, 355 West Ebley Road, Boonville, Indiana, 47601. An accurate head count will allow us to purchase and provide adequate food, drink, and prizes. But no one will be turned away. Participants need only show up, sign in, and they'll be provided everything they need, including poles and bait. Registration tables open at 8 a.m. and poles and bait are issued as part of the check-in process. Check the map at the Info tab for directions to the tournament. Lake Last Cast is located approximately 6 miles east of Boonville, Indiana. Signage will be posted about 6 miles out, and it will direct participants to the lake. Lake Last Cast is a picturesque private lake that for one day a year is transformed into a bustling recreation destination that takes on the feel of an amusement park. A great deal of planning and preparation takes place prior to the start of the day. This view depicts how we deploy to conduct the tournament. 2 large tents form the center of activities. Those activities include sign-up and scoring, the awards ceremony, and eating. The second tent is used as the cook tent and grill. Around the lake we have 4 small cooling and first aid tents, trash collection points, and porta-johns. The registration process has been refined every year to accommodate the increasing numbers of participants. Last year, approximately 135 fisherpersons signed in. Most gathered their poles and bait and found their place to fish on the shore of Lake Last Cast. Our plan for a good time starts with ensuring that our participants and volunteers are well fed and hydrated. Hamburgers and hot dogs are the staple of nourishment, along with the homemade cookies that are served. We start by delivering food and beverages to our participants as they fish and continue serving through the awards ceremony. Four-wheel delivery vehicles are donated for volunteer use during the day. There are no strangers on the lake. All who attend actively participate, whether helping to bait a hook, measure a catch, fry a burger, or just casting a line and watching a bobber. We employ the catch and release policy for and during the tournament. Our statistics over the past several years have run fairly consistent. Approximately 125 to 130 fisher persons are on the lake, although 135 sign up. Many just come out to enjoy the day and the food. Serious fishing, lounging, and enjoyment are the goal at Lake Lascast. All fisher persons receive prizes as names are drawn and participants come forward to pick up their gifts. Everyone wins. Everyone gets a prize, and our prizes get better every year. You'll see everyone having a good time. And yes, you'll see and experience pure joy. The strong volunteer force and sponsor base are responsible for the success of the tournament. Volunteers show up from the Junior Civitans from Newburgh, as well as many members, family, and friends of the KFC. The most important ingredient, Lake Lascast, is donated by one of our longtime friends. Sponsors are all appreciated, and most request to remain anonymous. All entrants are requested to fill out the entry form and submit to the address listed here prior to May 11, 2017. Entry forms can be downloaded from our website at the Info tab. If you'd like to join the fun, contact us using the contact information found on the website or call Dennis McVeigh 812-217-8065 or Bob Hildenbrand at 812-305-3900. What we need are nurse volunteers, four-wheeler delivery vehicles for the day, and prizes. Call Dennis or Bob if you can assist. Our goal is to have a great time fishing and to be safe. Hope to see you there.